Hey gang, we're out here at Deb's property. We're gonna be doing this is the before the pour. This is behind the scenes. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. If this video gets 200 million likes, we're gonna do another one. It's this. So we're almost done. This is what it should look like when you're about halfway through it. This is different from the first shot I did an hour and a half ago because Bruce moved this 1x6 over. Otherwise, not a lot of progress. It's gonna fall here, so we're gonna have to scoop it in here, but everywhere else he can reach. Okay, so it's gonna fall right where.
Yeah, just work the air out of it. But don't overwork it. How did I end up with the easy job?
Comes with the good looks.
Keep swinging your end. We're going to have to work fast this thing. Go back, Jordan. Yep. Now. Go on. Go on. Go on. Okay. Oh. Let's see what happens with that.
Try to bring in my whole class out here and have lots of them. There's 20 of them. What are we going to do with 20?
Certainly would have been fun.
Yeah.
You gotta like constantly be moving.
Yep.
And there on two angles.
See, like if we had the extra handle where you'd go from one side all the way to the other, then you would eliminate like that stop mark.
Connor, we're out here today with Connor. Connor says smash that like button and subscribe.
No.
This video gets 200 likes, we'll do another pour. I like that area over there.
Me too.
Yeah.
I was able to swing around. I like the angle too.
I was going to throw tie-dye in there. I guess you can tie-dye.
Yeah, where's all the lime? This is too dark. Sprinkle some lime on there, make it nice and white. See guys, that's how easy it is to pour a slab. Anybody can do it in 1 to 5, 6, 7, 8 hours. That's all it takes.
Yeah, a child can do it.
A child can do it. That's
A child with a PhD in engineering can do it.
Anything with a green screen makes it look super easy. Not that you did a bad job. I just would have done a better job.
Not that Jordan fucked it up. But,
Yeah. If someone did.
But just that Jordan fucked it up. It was a great job right up until Jordan showed up on the gun.
Is it? Yeah.
Is it? Oh, the camera's off now? Oh yeah, great job, Jordan.
I need the camera recording after what happened with Bruce and I working together. I always need. Next time he says it's my fault.
That was hilarious.